expect this. What's up, guys? We are at Circle Pit, our first annual out here at Lasertown in Johnson Valley, and we're ready to rip. Check it out. Ready to go? Should be a good time today. This is our first time we've done something like this. We got some punk bands, we got some vendors, we got some tacos, we got some jumps, we got some whoops, we got a lot of good stuff, you guys. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to share this with you guys. It's gonna be an awesome day today. Let's go.
The loop is about 35 miles, but we're assuming it might take anywhere from 3.5 hours to do, right? And then we're gonna go do the night run. The night run is 20 miles. We made it shorter, obviously. But we're gonna go do that. That's gonna be at like 7. Right after the band plays, we're gonna dip out on that run too. Any questions that I did not answer? Where's my friends here? BRB, give him a cry. Now Morgan's here. What do you ask Morgan? If you guys see Morgan, you guys can ask him. Thank you, Cody. Thank you, Laser Nut. Thank you, Laser Town, for letting us have this place. Alright guys, have fun, be safe.
So many trucks, you guys. It is crazy to see so many people come out. Danny said, what did I expect? I didn't expect this.
What did you expect? Honestly.
So we're out here at our first stop. We still got a lot of people arriving. So many people here. This is freaking incredible. So many awesome trucks we haven't got to see in person. Danny got me here quick. And thank you, Danny. That was fun. Let's get it going.
So we found the first spot. It's this nice sandy, loamy lip to flat, and I think everybody's been standing around for too long. I'm gonna go hop in the hammerhead and give this hot potato over to Darren, and hopefully not break it.
Hopping in with Justin Hucker. I trust this man because he's actually a racer and he could drift this thing in canyons where JDM kids try to drift. Probably goes faster than them. So yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna be filming out this thing. Thank you, man. Let's get going, dudes. Tell us about this spot, dude.
Well, you know, basically we got this nice little hill, this nice little rock.
That nice little rock. I like how he says a nice little rock and it's like straight frame right here. Look at that rock.
Hey!
sweet spot.
Dude, this thing up the lip is bouncing around. You're like,
Oh my
oh,
God.
just stay straight.
No, dude, it was perfectly straight, dude. That was great, man. It looked great.
It doesn't feel like it.
No, it looks absolutely terrifying for a sec, and then in the air, you're coming down, it's like perfect, dude.
It is. It's the perfect blend of smashing and damn near dying.
Yeah. That was smooth. Looked great, bro.
Thanks. Yeah.
Seriously. And you picked the perfect line, came down on the perfect landing. And
I was going a little left, but it was, yeah.
you know what, dude? It was perfect. Flush every time you landed, dude.
Yeah, it was good. Last time was a little bit, was the furthest, just top a second, almost on the limiter.
How did it feel to approach it when it gets so narrow at the end?
So it's definitely sketchy coming up to it, because you just, like, the whoops, dance the car around a little bit.
Yeah, I
If
see
it's
that.
small, when I have little wheel travel, it moves the car around a little bit.
Yeah.
So you just got to keep it straight, and you're on the limiter, almost pretty much the limiter in second coming
Yeah.
up to it. So you just keep it lined up and straight and keep it on the throttle, and it was fine.
Well, you make it look easy, dude.
Well, thanks.
Justin always makes everything look easy, man. This guy right here. Jeez, man. Good job, bro.
Thanks.
I'm hopping in with you because you're so damn good.
Alright, I got all the dad snacks. You know how we roll.
Yes. Next spot.
Rock pile.
Let's go.
Pile of rocks.
All right, dude. So I hopped in with Darren. I'm in the Jeep. I got baby girl right here. Whoa! Whoa! Of course, it's like the most whooped out section, and I start filming. But this Jeep is handling it.
We just left the sketchy rock jump, and now we're heading to the sketchy rock pile. And we're gonna hang out there for a little bit and let people jam around. I might crack into the fridge and get myself a sandwich.
I like that. I might take a bite of that sandwich. I'm gonna eat your dad's sandwich.
No.
Hey guys, so we stopped by Rock Pile to pay tribute to the people who passed away during a race some time ago. So we just wanted to stop by, check it out, and now we're gonna move on to the next spot in the course. This is pretty awesome, man. A lot of people are having a good time. We've got a bunch of different types of vehicles out here, from Jeeps to side-by-sides to dailies to mildly built pre-runners to straight up race trucks. So Taylor did a great job. Thank you, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Hell
no
yeah.
problem, man.
Did a great job mapping out the course. We're gonna head on out and go find some other cool spots. So we got divided, man. A lot of the other guys went back out to the dune. We're out here on another piece of the course. So we're gonna make the best of it. We got filmers over there, filmers here. See what happens. So we just finished up with this fast whoop section. We're gonna hit one more little spot before we head back to camp. But before that, Nick's stuck. Hi, Nick! What's up, guys? So a lot has happened. It got a little windy, a little bit, but we got solutions. We did the giveaway, that was awesome. Some people won some harnesses, won some gear, that was really cool. Now we got our Misfits cover band that's actually gonna be playing right now. It's gonna be awesome. They're gonna set up. They actually got stuck on the way in the sand berm. So the homies went to go rescue them. So next, let's check those guys out, man. Are you having fun? Look at this food. Look at that.
So much.
Mexican delights. Thank you, Maria.
Yeah, thank you for having us.
Yeah, dude, she dealt with our crazy butts and the wind. Anyways,
Amazing, delicious. She's awesome.
that's it. You're just gonna go eat it in the
I
motorhome
know.
now, huh?
We'll see you soon.
Yeah. What's up, guys? We're heading out for the night run. Band was good, tacos were good. It's time to party. Let's go find some good stuff right now. We got Tanner. He's gonna be up in the front, crushing it, doing his thing.
Getting the light out there.
I'm going in Dylan's freaking 90 Chevy. This thing's bad. Oh, you're leading?
No, I'm not leading.
You're not? So you're leading?
Oh my god.
Just kidding. Well, yeah, he has the app too. You guys are good. We're
Yeah, I
just
got the
showing-
app. I can lead. So
Okay,
we're good.
cool. I think we got a solid group, man. Everybody got scared because the wind, huh, Justin?
Yeah, it was a little breezy.
It's a little gusty.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
A little dirty now.
Nelson rolled down his window.
What's up, dude? How's it
What's
going?
up? Are you guys ready?
I'm ready.
I'm not ready.
Is There's Nelson's beautiful wife, Danielle. She's a trooper. She drove out in the middle of the desert into the darkness just to come driving more for a couple more hours with all the guys. Yeah. All right, well, you're the best. All right, guys, I think we got a good group here. All right, dude, so you're gonna be in the top 3.
Oh no.
No, you really are.
That's a lot of pressure.
Yeah, well, accept the pressure, my friend.
I know, right?
Dylan dailies this thing sometimes, so he prepped it before we came. Dylan prepped stuff. He prepped Nelson's truck, and sometimes shit just happens. So, but we'll be good. We're gonna go check out the dune jump, some other spots we're gonna check out. Should be some good stuff. All right, dude, so we're back at the sand dune right now. Looks like everybody's keeping up. The wind made everything nice and crisp right now. So let's go. Okay.
I don't know.
Tell me, how bad was it? How good? How bad?
I feel like it was
Was
like
it scary?
it was like this is fun, and I was like, no, this is sketchy. Like, why am I doing this? I'm like, no, it's fine. I'm like, no, like this is scary.
Yeah. And then sometimes it's like you feel good. You're like, okay,
Yeah,
this is
I'm like,
good.
this is
There's no
cool.
dust. We're good. And then all of a sudden you're like, oh sh.
Like, no.
James,
You look good.
You want a long or short one?
Long one.
Okay.
So here's a hack, you guys.
Bye.
You forget your
Zip
belt.
tie,
You got a zip tie, big dog, right here. Boom, there it is. Hey, what's up, guys? So, we just finished the night run. It's time to eat. Fern's Barbecue's here, freaking dialing it in. Check this out. We got good stuff, guys. So, it's been a good day. Let's eat some food. Tomorrow we'll say goodbye. Yo, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this episode. It was awesome. It is definitely the next day. I pretty much died and came back to life this morning. Dehydration and sun beating me. But anyways, thank you freaking Cody and Lasertown for welcoming us, letting us all hang out here. Thank you, Dylan, for holding down the booth. Literally holding down the booth with his bare hands because the wind. Definitely an awesome event. Thank you, Project X. Thank you, PRP, and thank you, Onyx, for such an awesome event at such short notice. As usual, everything was well, man. Everybody had a good time. Got to go on some good runs. Paid tribute to the memorial over there at Rockpile, and then we went on a really rad night run too, so all good stuff. Tell us what you guys thought worked at the event and what didn't work at the event.
Feedback.
Yeah, give us some feedback. Let us know what you guys think. Constructive criticism, and if there's anything wrong, it was not my fault. Just gonna stand by that. But thank you guys again. This was really fun. Man, where should we go next? Where should we host another one of these? Alcatillo, Super, maybe up north more, I don't know. Let us know, guys. Have a good one, guys. Thank you for watching.